So highlight reels are great for internal business conversations, right? Business, customer discovery calls, product discovery, internal strategy meetings, QBRs, sales calls, HR reviews. But I'm going to use two publicly available interviews with Jeff Bezos and Steve Jobs for this demo. And so I'm going to start the process. Just click highlight reels, enter in the topics I want to see from the data. So I want to learn what they said about customer discovery, team culture, building great products, innovation, product innovation. And then I'm going to hit create and we'll see what happens. All right, my highlight reel is here. And
so the most important thing when you're thinking about books, the most important thing is constantly encouraging, the kind of incumbent,
And I can see here, highlights on the topics, building great products, customer discovery, product innovation. So here, Bezos is talking about innovation being driven by customer needs. And
so I think one way to think about this is, what are you really focusing on? So
here,
So the most important.
So here, Bezos talking about.
So I think one way to think
innovation
about this is, what are you really? They can all go.
So here, Bezos is talking about. So in this, I really want to listen to all of them, but let's see. Innovation must address real user needs.
We were designing the Apple II, and we really had some much higher ambitions for the Apple II.
I really want to listen to all of them, but I'm going to look for the shortest clip right now.
One of the things that really hurt Apple was after I left, John Sculley got a very serious disease. And that disease, I've seen other people get it too. It's the disease of thinking that a really great idea is 90% of the work. And that if you just tell all these other people, here's this great idea, then of course they can go off and make it happen.
Well, I'm just going to binge on all of these clips right now. Well, that's the demo. Looking forward to your feedback. Thanks.